I'm gonna eat some. Hey, it's mine. Who you talking to? I'm falling in on this man. Jump that fool. He can't eat all that bread by himself. He said, I'm next. Oh, I'm next. What? Ain't none of y'all next. Some of y'all next. Can I have some, please? Can I have some? A little bit? Can I have a little nibble? Hey, I told you no, didn't I? I'm next. Get away from there. I got a pecking order. Hey, now I got this. I'm bigger than you. Now what? See him? Oh, shit. He ran off. Oh, shit.
Which one is it?
I don't know. He took his place. He was bigger than him. Thanks for holding it for me, homie. All right, we tag team. Now, they know not to mess with him because he's bigger than the last one. Don't mess with him. He might eat me.
That might be the one back there behind him.
No, he walked out and got himself a drink. He's chilling over there. Oh, now he bigger than him. You get your ass out of the way. I'm gonna some of this. That's 21 Savage. Seeing it in action. 21 Savage. Can I have some? Can I have a little bit? Can I have a little bit? Oh, man.
I want the other one to come back.
Oh, the water. I take his age now. I told you, it's mine. You plan I hate it. I'm hungry. You already hate. Some of this, I need some of that. Hey, what's up now? Hey, saucy. I like that. A sweet salty mix. I like this. This thing here. Hey man, I didn't mean to leave you. You get a little bit more. Oh, it's too late now, it's mine. Hey, I told you, watch out. He can't watch all of us.